Today I'm going to talk to you about the Penn State Children's Hospital Household Air Pollution Research Program for Women in Sudan. This program was established in 2014. My name is Stuart Warren. I am a co-investigator in this program and a semi-retired adjunct professor of pediatrics. The problem: measurements of household air pollution have traditionally been carried out in the dwellings and on the clothing of residents. These studies have been time-consuming and as a result have been small. The data from these small studies has been extrapolated and estimates made for global household air pollution exposure. Although the household air pollution has long been recognized for its health effects, these measurements only report levels of exposure. And the main components of this exposure are nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and particulate matter. Only carbon monoxide is absorbed from the lungs into the body. What is the solution? The solution is an instrument called a co-oximeter, which has a sensor which, when applied to a finger, rapidly reports accurate levels of carbon monoxide, which is a surrogate for household air pollution exposure. Why is this important? It's important because one can study large numbers of subjects in the field. Two, this is an important biomarker. And three, the co-oximeter can be used as a tool to evaluate future forms of intervention. Why is this an innovative solution? It's an innovative solution because the co-oximeter has never been used for this before. Is this technique possible? Yes, it is, because we studied 373 women in Sudan in January of this year in 11 working days. What is the effect or the impact of the co-oximeter? The use of the co-oximeter globally to study subjects with high exposure will help us to have a better understanding of many of the issues with air pollution. Secondly, a combination of carbon monoxide levels and health questionnaires in our study revealed very important health-related effects. And finally, the data that we gathered set the stage for us to return to Sudan to introduce a new form or location of cooking. What do we expect to find in this follow-up study? The compliant women will have decreased symptoms. The compliant women will have decreased carbon monoxide levels, as will their children. What challenges does our program currently face? The biggest challenge we have is a lack of mentorship, as there's no mentor, an expert in the Penn State medical faculty. What questions do the experts have for us, or do we have for the experts? Number one, what further information would they like? Number two, could they help us to find a mentor? Number three, could they help us to find more funding? What is the impact of participation in this Global Health and Innovation Conference? We believe that the participation in the conference will give us some national and perhaps international recognition. It also may help us to find a mentor, find some funding, and may even help us to find a partner agency.